Hi, my name is Margie and I will be talking about healthcare. In my today's speech, I will be including effects of not having insurance and causes overbilling from hospitals, medication that is inexpensive but sold as expensive, fraud committed by doctors and affected on people's life because of the bad healthcare. I will also talk about solution. Healthcare was first proposed by Theodore Roosevelt in 1912. It's been over a century, but we still don't have perfect healthcare. People in this country are aware of importance of healthcare, but the problem is they can't afford it, and people with insurance goes bankrupt because of the hospital bills and medication bills. People with the long-term healthcare problems like cancer, diabetes, stroke, etc. can't afford medication, but it's too expensive. But they have to because of the need, and that makes their family suffers. In Franklin County, about 11.23% of people are uninsured. Majority are at or below poverty line. In a list of countries in the world, we rank 34th in healthcare despite being one of the most advanced and wealthiest country. Even small countries like Norway, Sweden, and Finland are ranked number 1. I think this is absolutely a disgrace. There are many cases in which people were overcharged. Here are some of the example. One of the female went to the ER fainting and she had a small cut on her ear. She was charged about $6,000 for just a one ice pack and one bandage. If I were them, I would be infuriated that I was charged this much. Show of hands if you think you were overcharged. For medication that was very inexpensive, but after decades later, then some medication were very expensive, and because of the laws of companies have a right to price a product however they seems fit. So, for example, Tylenol could be sold for even $100 or $1,000 if company seems it fits. Here's some more example. The price of Doxycycline, a common antibiotic, went from $20 bottle of 500 tablets in October 2013 to $1,849. Many people are dying across the country because they can't afford these drugs. Don't you think this is just unfair because of corporate greed? Good people have to die? More than 600 doctors who were charged by the Justice Department. There are over cases who were not prosecuted. These doctors were prescription for drug abusers and falsified rehabilitation bills. They also submitted claims to Medicaid, military health care program, and private insurance company for treatment that were medically unnecessary and offered even provided. It cost nation about $68 billion annually in medical fraud. Shouldn't we pay attention so this money could be spent on the people who needs it? In Ohio, about 8.72% of uninsured. This not look like a big number, but nobody economically status is going to be the same. Somebody you might be affected too. So when we take precautions beforehand. For solution, I would just like you to all to volunteer National Patients Advocate Foundation. Be the change you want to see in the healthcare. This will give you a platform to do something meaningful, and it will make you feel good too. The foundation helps people who are not getting proper healthcare and getting overcharged, gives access to healthcare and much more. They also participate in policy and legislation changes. If you're short on time, it's fine. You can make your own schedule. Some people volunteer for less than 1 hour a week. Some do more, so it's up to you. You can do things online, so you don't have to go physical location. It's completely fine. If you don't know anything, they will give you training so you don't feel lost. The only thing they ask is that you hear about healthcare. Just giving a 30 minutes of your time a week can help save a family. You might not think much go with, but receiver would be very grateful. Isn't it more meaningful than watching Netflix or going to a movie? I'm not asking you to sacrifice your social life, but I'm asking you to be more active and more effective. This will one day help you too. It's not their fault that they can't afford medication. Need or they need or insurance. It is because of big corporation. Do you did you know United States is the only country who offers high-priced private insurance? Shouldn't this change? We should make changes so everyone could be happy. If you agree, please follow and volunteer National Patients Advocate Foundation. That should help you in the future as well. Thank you.